Okay, guys, hello again. Let's take a look. This particular client has a big real estate property to refinance, and he's been struggling for a while, trying to delete a couple of stubborn items from the credit report. He went to various companies and finally came back to us, and he said, "Hey guys, help me to get this discover charge off." Is reporting here as as a late payment, so he couldn't refinance. So let's see what we did May 14th. Let's compare to May, let's say 28th. Um, and the Discover account is gone, and the score went up 688. But still, it was not enough. He wanted to get over 700, or to get close to 700, as close as possible. Anyway, so we suggested to actually remove these hard credit inquiries to him yesterday. He had 7 inquiries, 5 of them he couldn't recognize. So we did that, and let's see what happened today, May 30th. His score went all the way to 712. As you can see, he only has 2 inquiries right now on his report. You know, I've been in this industry for over 12 years, and this is the highest score jump I've seen for a removal of 5 recent inquiries. Before, I've seen 4 points per inquiry, but this is something else. 712. And let's go back again to May 28th, 688. So it's 24 points boost for removal of 5 inquiries. So this is as good as it gets, guys. So anyways, the client is super happy. Actually, will be super happy because we here early 9 a.m. and we're on the West Coast, so we're about to deliver this news to this client. And because bank started the foreclosure process on his property because he couldn't refinance, and they called back his loan. So I'm so happy for this client that he's back to where he's supposed to be. And if you guys have any issues related to credit, related to real estate, or financing real estate, or business loans, funding for your equipment or operational expenses, just give us a call. If the credit is the one thing that's kind of being in the way of you achieving your goals, just remember to call Dimitri or creditrepairco.net, and we will be more than happy to evaluate your report free of charge and help you to develop a game plan that can help you to achieve your goals. Thank you so much. Take care.